Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Jasmy update for Wednesday 16th of March, and thank you everyone for the appreciation of the previous videos and for the subscribers, the new ones that I have now. And we're getting the Jasmy updates now regularly, isn't it? Because it's looking super cheap, it's looking super discounted right now. And I'm getting the good feelings, as I said yesterday, about Jasmy. And right now, what's happening is just a retracement to the downside. I don't think it's something that is negative, but this is actually something that is very, very positive when it comes to trading any currencies out there. So, if you want to learn how to trade the way I was doing all this stuff, I do have a course for you. You can check it out. And if you want to take your trading game to the next level, you can actually buy this course. And there's a lot of contents out there. Or you can just join the Discord. Okay, you can join the Discord for fun, for free. From the announcement tabs, we can talk about so many things here. Anyway, let's dive into the coin itself now. Yesterday I talked about two places of support level. Now remember, this is not a financial advice video, and I'm not gonna say I'm not telling you to buy or sell anything, but basically just chart reading that I do. And from here, guys, I told you two support levels that has to be met. Now, for me, basically, what I was vouching for is a touch of this trend line here, down here, and this would be like my entry point right there. That would be an amazing, amazing entry point. Or the first entry point was that this support level, and I said I don't think that support level was gonna be met. Just watched yesterday's video, and I said that I don't think this is a really strong support. But one thing is, you cannot deny that it's still a support nonetheless. But the problem that we have is that you actually closed below the support now. You are below it. What you did here, if I actually rewind everything from this previous videos, I guess, what I'm gonna do, just leave it like this anyway. Yeah, so yesterday what you did, you came up, made a spinning top from here, and then from there you start to come down, crawl down a little bit. And one thing that I said was, this seemed, it looks like this was nearly ladder bottom candlestick, but then again it didn't hold too much, and all you did is you made almost an engulfing candle, bearish engulfing basically, and then from there you made a spinning top. Now normally what spinning top means, when you see a spinning top like this after a downtrend, it means that from here you might start to pick to the upside as well. You might start to pick there as well. So what I will say is, if I was you, if I was to buy anything, if personally you ask me, hey, how can I do the purchases here? I would even say that buy a little bit here, but buy even more maybe when it comes down here. If it does starts to pump from here, you're lucky. But if it comes down here and it pumps from this place, you're gonna be dollar cost averaging everything, and you're gonna end up in profits even if it came back here. Because in my opinion, if it does come here, you're gonna have a little bit of a relief to go back to the 167. So you buy a little bit here, it goes down, you're gonna be in a loss, but you buy back again, it goes up, and boom, you're automatically in a profit. So it's a win-win situation. Okay, and I like to call this trick like 50-50, and my signal members know about the 50-50. Okay, this is something that is very, very effective in crypto trading. So Jasmy is looking to do something like that. Okay, and who knows, we do have 3 hours 22 minutes more to left to close the candlestick. So if you see Jasmy trying to go to the 176 in the next 3 hours 22 minutes, then in my opinion, this support is the one that has been respected, and you might not get this one right here. So if you did even invest the first time here and you start to look, Jasmy start to pick up from there to the upside, then you're still lucky. You're still lucky. If it does come down, buy more, it goes up from here. It's a win-win. Yes, now that's the good part of it. What about the bad part? Because you gotta be cautious, man. This is crypto. By the end of the day, we're not guaranteed anything. It's risk, 24/7. It's risk. All right. So welcome to crypto. If you're a new investor, that's we like to take risk, and we like to take big dumps. We like to take. Let me show you. Actually, let me make this fun. Okay. We are crypto investors, and we like to take nearly. Let me just show you. Bear with me here. We love to take 96. What the hell? Can you zoom out, please? Yeah, we like to take 96% loss, guys. So this is crypto and we're still alive. We don't give a damn, okay? This is not forex trading. We don't have time for emotion. So if you actually zoom in, it's kind of a weird situation for you to take an entry. If you zoom out, it's getting bullish. The trend is reversing, and you're starting to make a higher lows. Okay, so lower highs, if you want to say like lower high, come here, you make another lower high, higher high, go to the upside, make one higher high. Now, my guess is that if you do come down, you will start to retrace down to this level, then it will be better because you start to make a channel right there. Do you see that? So potentially you might be making in a channel. So what you do is you trade between these ranges, and it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be a very, very easy trade, and you're gonna know when to sell, when to buy. Now, for example, you bought here and then it went up, it came down. Yesterday I did even buy the 24. I exited very, very quickly. It goes up and then it comes down again. It goes up here. This is where you're gonna sell. You sell it here, it comes down here again, you buy it there again. It goes up, you sell it here. It comes down, you buy again. It goes up, you sell it here. The trend is reversing, and you are actually even gonna break out of this big channel of the downtrend. Okay, so when you break, they say in the crypto, when you break the trend, I mean, is it the trend is your friend until the end? Yes. So this trend was your friend until the end here. Break the trend and you're looking to go to the upside. So the question is basically, did you actually even break the trend? Let's actually look at that one very quickly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the daily. So here we are into the daily, and in my opinion, you sort of like are trying to break the trend here. So I'm gonna pick up the channels. Yeah, you haven't really broken up the trend. You're still under the trend. And guys, there's an apex. If you start to look at things like this way, then you're gonna find the apex by 24 of March. Okay, so you're gonna have the apex near the 24 of March. Anytime here, you could actually come down here, pick up like this, and then boom, shoot to the upside, and you start to move up. Now, one more thing I did even tell you before in the videos as well is that I was paying attention on the weekly time frame, and the weekly time frame is what made me come up with these updates, because the weekly tells a huge story right now. Okay, the weekly tells me you're going to reverse for sure because of the candlestick reading only. It's simple candlestick reading. So if by 4 days, after 4 days, you do close at this level, even at 65 level, you're lucky. You're looking to book your tickets to go to the upside, because this is known as a bullish ladder bottom. If you don't know anything about it, let's do Google very quickly, and I'm gonna write in there bullish ladder bottom right there, images. I did even mention this one 2-3 days ago when we were down there taking entries at the 124 level. So this is exactly what you're printing out. Okay, these are the candlestick that I'm looking forward to, and I'm looking for a very weekly bullish continuation to the upside. And on the smaller time frame, now that's the weekly. The daily time frame, I'm looking for the potential channel that is going to form up. So if you do come down here, amazing. If you continue from here, amazing, because by the end of the day, this is still a level of support. Okay, but if you start to lose that level, come down here. This for me is the best entry, the best one. This is like let's say a starter. When you go to a hotel and you get a starter, this is like an entry starter. This is the ultimate meal plan right there. And if if anything goes wrong, you're going to lose this trend line back test. Boom, then you're going to be creating something known as a reversal to the downside. Is all you did is went down and then pick up everyone to fall to the downside. So remember, you don't want to lose this trend line. If you start to lose the trend line, you are going to come down to the 108 and potentially make a double bottom. That's a scenario. Or lose 108 completely, and the downtrend is going to continue, unfortunately. So keep in mind, make sure if you want to learn how to trade the way I'm doing, take the course here. Seriously, you're not going to be disappointed. I'm going to pick up your game for the next coming. I'm going to make sure you just learn not to lose the next time in trading, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.